am I? While you're back home, life goes on and on and on and on. The strange routine sometimes weighs down on me, but I wouldn't trade it, not for anything. Maybe there's nothing, only this moment. What's up, guys? Today we're doing Where Am I by Title Fight on Acoustic. This is a great song, and there are not a lot of good tutorials out there for it right now, especially for acoustic. So I'm going to teach you how to play it, sing it, have a good time the same way that they play it when they play live on the acoustic guitar. So yeah, you're welcome. We're in standard tuning, and we're using a pick. Okay, so the song can be split into an intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and bridge. And I'm going to put chapters in the video, and I'm going to go through each part sequentially. I'm going to demonstrate it slowly, and then I'm going to talk about it, and then I'll give you extra tips, and then we'll move to the next one. Okay, and you're going to repeat that twice. Start off with our pointer finger on the A string, 3rd fret, and then our ring finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string. Okay, we're going to pluck that A string, then go down, down, up, and pull off that ring finger. Okay, get that down. You want to aim to hit that 4th string on the up. Then you're going to pluck the top string, and then pluck it with the pointer finger on the 1st fret of it. Okay, and then the notes you want to hit now sound like this. Okay, so that's my ring finger on the 4th fret of that 3rd string, and then my pinky is hitting the 5th fret for that. Now, on a looser acoustic guitar or on an electric, they're bending the string. Okay, but my guitar can't do that. So I'm going to do this. So do what you need to do to get that sound. And you're gonna hit that same string but open. And now you're strumming this whole time too. So you're just aiming for these strings as you strum. So it sounds like this. Okay, so you can hear I'm hitting a couple other strings, and when you're going full speed, you might hit more. Next, we're gonna move our pointer finger up to the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and our pinky finger to the 4th fret of the 4th string. And you're gonna do the same down, down, up as before. Okay, so from the top. Then you're gonna hit that open top string again, and now you're gonna hit 3 strings at once. Okay, so that's pointer finger on the top string 3rd fret and ring finger on the 3rd string 4th fret, because you want to hear that. Okay, then we're gonna get into our slide, which is like this. All right, so we're sliding across on the 1st and 3rd strings, and you can use your pinky or your ring finger to slide on that 3rd string. I tend to alternate. I usually do. I think I like pinky more. So the frets of those are going to be this: 5th and 7th, 7th and 9th, and then back to 3rd and 5th. All right, so slowly it's like this. You're going down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you restart. Okay, and that's the intro for you. When he plays it live, there is some extra fun strumming he likes to throw in sometimes. So instead of just doing, he could do down, 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 up, down, up. And so you can get fun with it too. I suggest you try the little gallop strum thing. Throw it in, mess around with it. But that's the intro for you. moving on to the verse. So after you do the intro twice, right? So it may look like I just played the same thing twice in a row, but there's a small difference. So let's talk about this, break it down. So after the little slide from the intro, you hop into the verse by putting your pointer finger on the first and second strings, 3rd fret, and our pinky finger on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. And you're gonna have to do the gallop strum now. So it's down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Okay, I'll write that out on screen for you too if you need that. Then once you get down here, you're gonna do like 2 little strums. So it's down, up, down. Then you're gonna scoot your pointer finger back to the 3rd string on the 7th fret and your pinky finger back to the 4th string on the 2nd fret. And then you're gonna go up, slide them both up 2 frets. Okay, this is what we're doing. So it's up, down, slide up 2 frets, up, down, slide up to 2nd and 4th, and put your middle finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret, down, up, down. Okay? Okay, and that down is the beginning of another gallop. And we move to this chord. That is an E, so it's pointer finger on the 2nd and 3rd strings on the 2nd fret, and our pinky is where it was. All right, so it's okay. Now you go. Okay, so you're just kind of you're doing this 1 up, down, up, down, up. And you're picking your pointer finger up and just putting it on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. All right, so from the top. Cool. Now we're gonna kind of restart. So you're gonna put this position, and now you can gallop or you can just go. Okay, but either way you got to do that and slide up. And instead of doing like hopping right into it, so it was like, now it's gonna be like this. So see how I pick up my hand while I'm doing some strums, and then I do so the rhythm is a little different. At least that's how they played it live. Maybe it should be the same and he just messed up. But I think it sounds kind of cool to do that way on the second time around. Okay, then we get up here, do the... And then we get into the pre-chorus. Let's do that slowly. Where am I? While you're back home, time goes on and on and on and on. Okay, so really the gist of this is you're just power chording here. So it's pointer finger, 3rd fret, 1st string, 2nd and 3rd strings have the ring and pinky on the 5th fret, and you're palm muting. So you're putting the back of your palm down, making it quieter. And you're doing that just for like 4 strums. And then you're taking your middle finger off once you get down here. So it's... And so the first 2 times I like to stop and like say the line. And the second 2 times, I just strum all the way through on this chord down here. And then we get to the chorus. There's not a lot of chords here, but the strumming and rhythm is a little difficult. So I'm going to play the whole thing slowly and then get it down even to smaller chunks slower. So we end up down here from the pre-chorus. Okay, that's the whole thing. So we're down here, we slide up, pointer finger on this 1st and 2nd strings, 3rd fret, pinky finger on the 3rd string, 5th fret, and we start by doing a gallop strum. There you go. Okay, so I hope you kind of get that. A lot of stuff happens on an up strum in this. Now we're up to this chord, which is a big stretch. Pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, pinky finger, 3rd string, 5th fret. So I'm just going up, down, up, back, and restart. All right, that's the best I can do for you there. After that is the post-chorus or the bridge or whatever you want to call it. But it's a nice little picking section. It's a lot of fun once you learn it. And this is where they sing, maybe there's nothing, only this moment. Okay? So this is it super slowly. Sorry, it's hard to play slow. That's it. Okay, and you repeat that twice. So let's talk about it. You ended up here from the chorus. Then you're just going to go straight to putting your middle finger down on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And you're going to strum down, hammer on. Pointer finger to the 2nd fret, 3rd string. Then hit open 4th, 5th with the 3rd fret fretted, pull off. So. Okay, make sure to alternate with your pick to make it more flowy too, if you don't do that already. So it's. Then you're going to slide your middle finger up to the 2nd fret, and then strum down, and hammer on with your ring finger now on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Okay, now you're going to hit the 5th string open and 4th string open. Okay. Then you're going to go back and do the same thing again. Sorry. Okay, and then instead of doing 5th and 4th open, you're going to hit 6th open, pinky finger onto the 5th string, 3rd fret, and then pull off and hit the 4th. Okay, and so that's when you do every other time when you rotate. So it's. Slide back down. You just repeat, sing maybe there's nothing, only this moment. And there's a couple other like random licks sometimes they do during that or right before that part, but that's the main bulk of it. That's what you hear when they play in the recording and stuff. So yeah, that is the bridge. And then after that bridge, he goes a little bit of muted strumming, and we move on to the chorus, to the verse once again. Maybe there's nothing, only this moment. Maybe there's nothing, only this moment. Cars pass by, and then we move on to the next verse, and that verse is the same way, and then after that verse is a chorus, and then after that chorus is the same thing. Maybe there's nothing, only this moment, and that's how the song ends. If you want to go even more in depth, I will link the video of them playing this live in the description, so you can check that out for some extra licks they throw in sometimes. But other than that, if I added some value to your day, please drop me a like. If you're into this type of music, please subscribe. I do lots of videos with stuff like this, and comment what you want done. I will probably do it. Yeah, have a great day.